Good morning, folks. It's Monday, February 15th. Very boring day today. It's President's Day. Markets are closed. Our money is just sitting and nothing's happening. No fun. But anyways, still can't help it. Stocks are on your mind. Stocks are on my mind. So I want to do an update and more of an analysis, and let's see where AMC stands today and see the direction that it looks to be going in on Tuesday. If y'all watched my last videos, I think it was my Thursday night video, I was forecasting what AMC, what I seen, where I expected it to, what I expected it to do, and I actually forecasted it to be flat the next day, and actually had it finishing, around the 560 mark, and actually at the end of the closing bell on Friday, it actually closed at 559. A little credibility there, getting better. So, anyways, let's look at AMC today. Get this glare out of here. Figure out which glare do we want, the window glare or the... Okay, so here we go. So AMC, they closed at 559 last Friday, which all I can say is nailed it. Nailed it. But it looks like something's kind of gearing up to make it kind of an interesting day on Tuesday. And why I say that is this right here, the bid and ask size. There's over 10,200 shares that have bids in right now, and there's only 4,400 shares of orders to be sold. That's a good sign. So just by blindly looking at that without really opening up and looking at the orders, I would say there's more people looking to buy than sell going in on Tuesday morning. So generally speaking, what that means is AMC could start off going up in the morning. I couldn't imagine it going up a whole lot, but I definitely, by those numbers right there, it looks as if it could be going up. Let's look at the chart here. So here's a 2-day chart. So it has generally, like I said, it's been flat, and I believe we may have found, as I mentioned earlier, the resistance level. So it looks like there could be a support level here of around $5.50 a share. So this is not a horrible price to purchase. Not horrible. But do keep in fact that 4 or 5 months ago, this company was down to $2.50 a share. So keep that in mind. So I don't think $5.50 is just a horrendous price to buy in at. It's definitely a lot better than the $15 to $20 to $8 to $9 that it was a couple weeks ago. But seeming how it does appear that we have found a support level here, some resistance at $5.50. That could be the support. I'm going to look back and see, where was this again before the pandemic? Yeah, so about $7.50 looks like it was about the average. So when the market opens back up, when the world opens back up and this pandemic's, back behind us, this is a $7.50, $8 stock all day long. Like I said, right now it does appear we have some support of $5.50. Now that support could be there because a lot of bag holders are just holding on, and they're not, they're not settling for anything less, which can create a resistance level. And with the orders that I've seen there, the bid and ask size that we just talked about, I see this possibly going up. I mean, in favor of it going up on Tuesday. I don't see a skyrocket, but I do see it possibly going up on Tuesday. One thing, I don't know if y'all ever look at the valuations of these companies. Like I said, I use the Ameritrade setup. That's my broker and everything. It's always important to go into the tabs and look at the valuations. It just kind of gives you a little more insight. So this is an overall insight. The only one they're going to have here for this one is the price of sales. This is because the earnings of AMC are not available. The price to sales ratio is most appropriate valuation members. The PE and PG ratios are not meaningful due to the company's negative earnings. Therefore, AMC seems to be fairly valued with a price to sale ratio of 3.95 times. This is 9 with the entertainment industry median of gross profit margin. So they're actually rocking it there with a 65.45%. The industry average is 38.69, so they're doing pretty good there. Operating profit margin. Now here they're losing quite a bit, down to 122.24%. So, and up here in the notes, if you read it says losing money on an operating basis. AMC appears to be an inefficient company. While its profitability is among the best on a gross margin basis, its bottom line, the net margin, is among the weakest in the entertainment industry. I still say AMC will be fine just because of where they are excelling in these other categories here. Net profit margin, definitely below the average there. See, they give dividends. AMC, like most of its peers, does not pay a dividend. Okay, well, never mind. Ooh, growth rates. No, they definitely don't appear to grow. And trailing 12 months earnings at AMC declined at a greater rate than revenues. Additionally, the leverage company in the entertainment industry also saw falling earnings. So anyways, you can always dive into these valuations and give you a better insight on the company, especially if you're looking at more of a long-term investment. That's where these, this information can be crucial. Like I said, I do more of the swing trading, so I will peek in here just to make sure that the company is, for one, making a profit before investing, and then it kind of gives me an idea: is this something that I want to, hang on to for a while, or just let it go down the drain? But back to what I was saying here, of what I was seeing at AMC. With that, such a high number at the bid, it looks like it could be possibly a green day tomorrow for AMC. I wouldn't say clear out your savings and pour it in there, but it's say if you purchased in at the 540, 535 mark last week, and if you are swing trading, you could have a moment to dump this, maybe make a little money tomorrow. I don't, it's now that bid and ask size, of course, is going to fluctuate throughout the whole day. But the way it stands currently, AMC could have a kind of a bright future tomorrow. Well, folks, that was my Monday in idle quick analysis of AMC and my expectations and what I've seen, where it's been, and maybe possibly where it's going. So it could be a pretty good day today. So if y'all do like my videos, and if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Y'all have a great Monday.